Hey, what is up? So it took us a while to release this update of new alerts feature, auto alert, and the redesign. So I wanted to uh, use a chance in this video to show you very quickly, nothing special in the long videos and all this stuff. But if you were following the announcement, 2 announcements ago, I told you about this auto alert, which we were working for some time, and it took a while because we did many other things simultaneously, not just this one feature. So, you know, not going to details. So basically, if you go to the alert page, you click here on the alert, you will see first the new design of the alert. So now it's much more user friendly. You can visualize better what custom alerts you have. So here, as you can see, you have your custom alerts. You can create a custom alert for uh, any project out there. I don't know, tell me some project. Let's say Locksmith Labs, for example. Uh, Blocksmith Lab. So I'm gonna create alert for Blocksmith Lab. So the current floor price, as you can see, we improved the whole user experience and the UI on this part. So I can instantly see the floor price. So I can see, okay, the floor price is 105. And I'm gonna say, okay, if the floor price go below 100, send me an alert. You create that alert like that, and here is it. When the floor price below 100, send me. You can delete it here, you can edit, and so on. But what is the cool feature over here is auto alert, and why auto alert is very useful is because you cannot uh, create manually alerts for all the project to track, and often you maybe create one alert and it get triggered, and when it's triggered it get lost, and you maybe need to follow this project more time. So in order to not waste time creating a lot of custom alerts, and custom alerts are useful for some special things when you want to create some very specific conditions out there. It's still useful, I'm still using it, but that's why we created a auto alert, so you do not miss something which is not in your mind currently. Maybe some old project is pumping up and you didn't create alert because you forgot about it. And that happened for me many times. So for example, make a frogo, they pump it to 8 to 10. I messed this up and I had a bunch of make a frogos. So that's why you can go to auto alert, and by default, okay, first of all, you will see here the auto alerts for the project you have created and how they're generated. Basically, everything you have in your wallet, it will automatically become auto alert, and everything you have in your watch list over here will also become auto alert. So whatever you follow in your watch list, and you create watch list by putting these stars of whatever you go on the project, either on the monitor table or either in the project itself. You have the star, and that's how you put in the watch list. So whatever you have in the watch list and in your portfolio, you will getting those notifications out there. So as you can see, I have a bunch of those useless projects over here, but I like to collect because I like art. I don't think this about money, but anyway. So let me get back to the auto alert. So auto alert. So by default, the auto alert you should get these settings. If you didn't change, if I didn't forget that, but if the floor price get increased, now you have a different condition. Before we had, for just for alert, let me remind you once again. If you go to just alert, to the custom alert, let's say whatever project, the condition is, if the floor price is above or below, right? So it's about floor price amount. But with auto alert, the conditions are different. If the floor price gets increased by percentage, so it's if the floor price get increased by 15% in 1 hour, or you can choose in 24 hours. So it means in one day, right? So if the floor price get increased by 15% in 1 hour, or decrease by 15% also in 1 hour, for any collection you hold in your wallet, and for any collection you have in your watch list over here, you'll get um, automatic notification, push up notification that will let you know, okay, something's happening, because you cannot follow all the project, right? You cannot create those custom alerts for all of this project, especially the one you also do not hold. It's a lot of work, right? So that's why the auto alert feature is very useful. And again, this is just beginning of this auto alert feature. We're going to expand with more conditional logics functionalities, a way to get alerts like over the email, Discord, maybe SMS. We did some voting to see people where they want to get. Of course, push notification is the most important thing. But yeah, and what you can do is, so if this value doesn't fit you, if you get too less this notification, if you want to get more notification at the moment, then you can say 5% maybe, and update both of this and click update outlier. If you want to get some really big changes movement, maybe you get too much, then you can increase to 20%, 30%, or whatever, maybe 50% in 1 hour, or maybe you say 50% in 1 day. So it's up to you to, to experiment and put your conditional logic over here the way you want. We're still experimenting. We don't know what is the best right now, but this is something uh, we put it for now. If you find the best kind of default conditional, please mention me and share it. Mention me somewhere on the Discord and share it, so we can. You actually use the suggested channel for that and mention me, so we can actually update, and we want to see why. Yeah, and also important thing, so everything is connected. We were working a lot of things, as I said. That's why it took a lot of outdoor, because we were working on the things like account linking. So you can link your wallet, you can register, and you can also link your Discord. So now when you're on the mobile phone, you can also log in on your mobile phone via Discord or via wallet, and that means that you're gonna sync your profile with the desktop and the mobile. So you'll get those notifications on the mobile phone. Of course, you need to approve a notification on the mobile phone so you can get it. You'll get, if you go to the alerts page. And yeah, there's still a lot of UX improvements to be done, and some small tweaks. But as I said, we're working on so many things at once, and yeah, we're going slowly but widely, broadly, how we say. Um, and yeah, so this is useful, really useful for me, because I'm getting this notification on mobile phone because I connected a mobile phone. If you're aware what is PWA, progressive web apps, we have Moonly is a progressive web app, which means if you go to the mobile or even on the desktop, you will see this icon over here which say install Moonly. So you can install this Moonly and it will act as a desktop application over here, or you can do this on the mobile phone as well. And for now, it can replace this mobile application, which we're gonna release later on. Um, and basically, I am using Moonly right now as a mobile application, um, by this PWA progressive apps. It's installed on my screen on the mobile, and I just click on the icon, I get push notification and so on. And that's how you connect and also sync your profile. There's more stuff out there I don't wanna share. I'm gonna share this in another video. But know that we are working very hard and that we didn't stop any single moment out of it. Even I was away from the community messaging and reading. Even I was absorbing some messages through the notification, but I just need to take a break from the community management. There's so many matches happening uh, behind the channels. You are able to see the modes and all this stuff. And there's a totally different server for our development where we have around, I know, 12, 14, 15 people working together, like so many things. So either I would just die and burn out, or I just needed to make a balance, put aside and things. Some people doubt, some people believed, didn't care because they believed in the long-term vision of Moonly. I appreciate that. And yeah, the things will come together. And once we start releasing this different functionality, they all play um, together. We will connect those parts, and it's going to be one huge platform for NFT related things. Also, some crypto tools overall for cryptos, and it's going to be great. Money will be awesome. So yeah, this is update, short update for you. Hopefully not too long. Yeah, let me know what you think. You can tweet it about this. Create some noise on the Twitter, and yeah, peace out. See you soon. Bye.